I'm checking out the new Atari Gamestation Go from MyArcade. This is a complete Atari arcade experience in a handheld, but you can also connect it to your TV. If you float up top here, you have HDMI out, you plug that right in, and then you have a kickstand, so you can set up on a table, and with these USB-C ports, you can plug in, MyArcade's retro controllers or any modern controller you want. Yeah, you could plug in an Xbox or a PlayStation controller in here if you're more comfortable using that, and just dive right into all those nostalgic games. We have triggers, bumpers, we have our home button, volume, and we charge via USB-C. There's a micro SD slot, you can put a card in there to save your games.
So the paddle is for games like Night Driver, it's for Breakout, Super Breakout.
Yeah.
Your directional pad is normal. Then your trackball is for Centipede, Millipede, Missile Command, the original kind of arcade games. And again, we wanted to enhance what we did last year, so we added the trackball as well as the number pad.
So what I really like about this is, if you don't know how, which controls you're supposed to use with the game you're playing, MyArcade has come up with a way where the controls you need light up. So you see here, I'm playing Breakout, and with this one you use the paddle and the A button to start, when you need a new ball. You know exactly what controls you're going to need right from the lights on the console. It really feels like a more comfortable and lighter version of the Wii U gamepad. I love the big screen. It's easy to see. Could be great for kids too. And speaking of kids, what I really like about this is, you have one device and you can kind of introduce your kids to the whole history of Atari, all those arcade games they didn't grow up playing, and maybe you didn't either, but you can kind of go down a video game memory lane with just one device, and you can plug it right into your TV, so the whole family can enjoy it. So the Gamestation Go is going to cost $149, and it'll be available in Q3 later this year. This is something I'd love to get at home to test out by myself with my son, and since it's coming out later in the year, would make a really good Christmas present. For more great CS coverage, follow us everywhere at Tom's Guide, and I'll catch you in the next one.